Good morning students, and once again a very hearty welcome to the English world of Aradhya. Myself Rashmin sir, teaching English to the students of standard 9 to 12 in English medium. Students, if you remember, last time we had taken the first lesson of your second book, that is Footprints Without Food. The title of the lesson was A Triumph of Surgery. Now, in that lesson we had come to know about a few characters. One was Mrs. Pumphrey. She has one pet dog. His name is Tricky. And Mrs. Pumphrey's character, from the reading of the lesson we come to know that she is a very caring lady, very loving lady. She overcares for her dog Tricky, and in that she tries to overfeed the dog and doesn't give any exercise to the dog. So as a result of it, what happens? Tricky becomes very much fat. It is difficult for him to make movements also, and they regularly go to this particular veterinary doctor, Dr. Harriet. So once Dr. Harriet noticed that Tricky was not able to walk properly, there was bloodshed and rheumy in his eyes. So from that only he could make out. When he made the inquiry about Tricky's care, Mrs. Pumphrey said that she is giving different food items to Tricky. Plus she gives Horlicks, cod liver oil and many more things. So that overfeeding only has created problem for Tricky. And when Dr. Harriet asks her about her exercise, then she says that this gardener, he was suffering from lumbago, and that's why that exercises for Tricky has stopped. She could only take Tricky only for a walk, but next time when Dr. Harriet saw them, Tricky was not able to make any movement, and he denied everything. He denied even his favorite foods. Earlier he had grown very greedy for food because Mrs. Pumphrey was overfeeding her. So he would never say no to any dish, and any time you offer him food, he would take it. But now, because of that overfeeding, he has created a sort of hatred for food. He is not able to eat anything. He says no to even his favorite dishes. So from that only Dr. Harriet thought out a plan that now Tricky needs to be hospitalized. Tricky should be kept under the observation of Dr. Harriet, and that's why now he is going to take Tricky to his surgery. So here he is not going to perform any surgery over Tricky, because he has already thought out how to make Tricky again slim and fit. So his plan is different. So in this particular video and my next videos, we will see how he treats Tricky and how he makes Tricky very fit and slim. So let's begin from there. I had my plans in advance. The only way was to get Tricky out of the house for a period, for some time. I suggested that he be hospitalized for about a fortnight. Fortnight means about 15 days, 2 weeks. Okay, to be kept under observation. So that's what he suggested to Mrs. Pumphrey. Now Mrs. Pumphrey is overcaring. She cannot think of getting separated from Tricky. Okay, the poor lady almost swooned. See, this sentence confirms that she cannot even think of getting separated from Tricky. So when Dr. Harriet suggested this thing, she almost swooned. Swooned means she became unconscious, fainted. She was sure he would pine and die if he did not see her every day. That is what Mrs. Pumphrey is thinking, that if you take Tricky from here, Tricky would pine. Tricky would just long for me. Okay, Tricky would pine for me. Tricky would long for me. Okay, and if he doesn't see me, then he will die. That was the fear of Mrs. Pumphrey. If he doesn't see me every day near him, then he will die. But actually the thing is, Mrs. Pumphrey cannot see Tricky away from her. But I took a firm line. Tricky was very ill, and this was the only way to save him. This is what spoken by Dr. Harriet. कि Dr. Harriet means students, if you have seen that first movie, first part, Munna Bhai MBBS, in that Dr. Asthana makes it clear to all the students. He asks the questions, general question to all the medical students, कि how would you treat a patient? The one girl gets up and says that, sir, I want to experience the pain they are going through, and that way I will treat the patient. Then he makes it clear, no, this should not be your stand. Patient for us is a sick body and we have to make it fit. If you go on experiencing the pain that patient is suffering from, you will never treat. So here Dr. Harriet also looks very hard. Okay, he knows that if Tricky is taken away from Mrs. Pumphrey will automatically get very sad. When he told about the keeping Tricky in the observation, that time only she almost swooned. So if Tricky is taken away for at least 15 days, what would be the condition of Mrs. Pumphrey? In spite of knowing this, Dr. Harriet is very hard. Okay, he is bent upon taking Tricky with him to make him fit again. But I took a firm line, yani I took a firm stand. Tricky was very ill and this was the only way to save him. उसको बचाना है तो उसको मेरे ऑब्जर्वेशन में रखना पड़ेगा, उसको बचाना है तो उसको मेरे प्लान के हिसाब से ट्रीटमेंट करनी पड़ेगी. In fact, I thought it best to take him without delay. Okay, so here he is making sure about this thing also. He is not saying that you get him hospitalized after 2 days, after 3 days. Right now, don't make a delay. If you come after 2 or 3 days, his critical condition may become more serious. So right now only, without any delay, I will have to take your dog Tricky with me. And followed by Mrs. Pumphrey's wailings. So he did not make a delay. Mrs. Pumphrey was wailing, Mrs. Pumphrey was crying. Then also he took it away. Ki let her cry. She will cry for some times. But right now it is important to take Tricky for treatment. I marched out to the car carrying the little dog wrapped in a blanket. So even though Mrs. Pumphrey was crying, Dr. Harriet took the dog in a blanket. The entire staff was roused and maids rushed in and out, bringing his day bed, his night bed, favorite cushions, toys and rubber rings, breakfast bowl, lunch bowl, supper bowl. So from this you can make out, students, how rich Mrs. Pumphrey is. Mrs. Pumphrey has the entire staff to look after Tricky. And now Tricky is being taken away, entire staff is bringing all his things. Okay, here separate bowls are also mentioned. Lunch bowl separate, breakfast bowl separate, supper bowl separate, his rubber rings. So all those servants and maids are bringing all those things and putting in the Dr. Harriet's car. Okay, realizing that my car would never hold all the stuff, I started to drive away. So Dr. Harriet is a very clever guy. He understood that if I wait for some more time, these people will bring almost half the house over here, which cannot come in the entire car. So he started driving away. As I moved off, Mrs. Pumphrey, with a despairing cry, very miserable cry, threw an armful of the little coats through the window. From her window, she threw the little coats. I looked in the mirror before I turned the corner of the drive. Everybody was in tears. क्योंकि बॉस रोता है तो बाकी सबको भी रोना पड़ेगा. So Mrs. Pumphrey is crying, so her entire staff is also crying. Almost everybody was in tears. Out on the road, I glanced down at the pathetic little animal gasping on the seat by my side. Mr. Harriet is driving. In the next seat is this Tricky. And that was what? Pathetic. That looks very pathetic. Pathetic means very tragic. Okay. The dog was gasping. Gasping means breathing very fast. Struggling to breathe, we can say. I patted the head and Tricky made a brave effort to wag his tail. Okay. Poor old lad, I said, you haven't a kick in you, but I think I know a cure for you. Okay, so here he is addressing Tricky. Ki poor old lad, you haven't a kick in you means you are not that much strong enough to at least kick something. But I think I know a cure for you. तुमको क्या तुम्हारे लिए क्योर कैसे होगी वो मुझे पता है. At the surgery, the household dogs surged round me. When Dr. Harriet took Tricky in his surgery, that time all the other dogs just surrounded him. Tricky looked down at the noisy pack with full dull eyes. Pack means pack is a what? Collective noun. Pack of dogs. यानी डॉग्स बहुत सारे होते हैं तो उसके लिए टीम ऑफ प्लेयर्स का झुंड होता है, उसको हम टीम बोलते हैं. तो वैसे बहुत सारे डॉग्स होते हैं तो उसके झुंड को हम पैक बोलते हैं इन इंग्लिश. सो ही लुक्ड एट द नॉइजी पैक with dull eyes and when put down lay motionless on the carpet because now Tricky is without almost any energy. Okay, energy level has gone down very much. So on the carpet when Dr. Harriet put him, he was lying there motionless, no movement he was making. The other dogs, after sniffing around him for a few seconds, decided he was an uninteresting object and ignored him, because this is what a new arrival in the surgery for other dogs. So other dogs just sniffed and then they thought that okay, this is not an important person and interesting object, so let us leave him. So they ignored him. Okay, now onwards we will see how Dr. Harriet treats Tricky. Okay, I'll continue from there. I made up a bed for him in a warm loose box next to the one where the other dogs slept. So now he is making a place for Tricky to sleep. Out of the box only he made that, and other dogs were just sleeping over there only, just beside him. For 2 days I kept an eye on him, giving him no food but plenty of water. Okay, if we human beings notice this, then we might question Dr. Harriet कि भाई ये कौन सी ट्रीटमेंट कर रहे हो, उसको खाना पीना तो तुम देते ही नहीं हो. तो sometimes students it is necessary. Okay, you see an overfed child and you see an average fed child. ओवरफेड चाइल्ड के लिए मूवमेंट करना भी डिफिकल्ट होगा, जबकि एवरेज फेड है वो कहीं भी भाग फिर सकेगा. ओके, कितनी वो एनर्जी से काम कर पाएगा. तो यहाँ उसका जो ओवरफीडिंग लेवल है वो कम करना है. दैट्स वाई एंड डॉक्टर नोज इट वेल that even if I keep him on water he will not die. Okay, instead he will reduce his fat level. So that's why he kept dog only for 2 days only on water. No food was offered to him. Okay, at the end of the second day I started to show some interest in his surroundings. Okay, now second day, on the second day what he found, Dr. Harriet found that that animal means Tricky is taking some interest in his surroundings. Earlier for 2 days he did not find anything interesting over there, even though so many dogs were there. And on the third day he began to whimper when he heard the dogs in the yard. So this is what a sort of improvement in Tricky's condition. And Dr. Harriet is observing all this कि पहले दिन पे वो मोशनलेस पड़ा रहा, फिर उसको मैंने पानी पे रखा तो भी उसकी मूवमेंट ज़्यादा नहीं हुई. And now on the third day what he heard some cry of Tricky when he heard the other dogs in the yard. Now he also wants to go to the other dogs and play with them. When I opened the door, Tricky trotted out. Tricky ran out and was immediately engulfed by Joe the greyhound and his friends. These are the different dogs. Joe is a name of a particular dog, greyhound is also a dog, and other his friends means other dogs. So he was engulfed means he was surrounded by the other dogs, because in 2 days this fellow's weight just got down. He was kept only on water, no food was offered to him. So now he is able to make some movement. So as soon as he opened the door, Dr. Harriet, just Tricky ran out of it. Okay. After rolling him over and thoroughly inspecting him, the dogs moved off down the garden. All the dogs were now just checking him, inspecting him, okay, and they rolled him over everything and then they moved away. Tricky followed them. Now Tricky also wants to be with them, so he followed them, rolling slightly with his surplus fat. Still he has some fat left. Okay, later that day I was present at the feeding time. I watched while Tristan slopped the food into the bowl. Okay, Tristan is the friend of author. Now he was feeding the dog at the surgery. So slopped the food into the bowls. There was the usual headlong rush followed by the sounds of high-speed eating. When he served all the dogs, afterwards he could hear what? The sounds of high-speed eating. हाई स्पीड से कोई खा रहा है ऐसा साउंड आ रहा है. एवरी डॉग न्यू दैट इफ ही फेल बिहाइंड द अदर्स he was liable to have some competition for the last part of his meal. Now why all the dogs are doing this way? All the dogs are just eating very fast because they know कि if they don't eat fast they may have to struggle for the last part of the food with the other dogs. That's why every dog is trying to eat as much as they can get. So that is the way these people are feeding them. Okay, when they had finished, Tricky took a walk around the shining bowls, licking casually inside one or two of them. Now when all the dogs moved away, Tricky went to one shining bowls and what? Licking casually, licking yani moving his tongue over some part of the plate where some food was left, casually inside one or two of them. Okay, unexpectedly. Next day, an extra bowl was put out for him. So Dr. Harriet observed all this. कि yesterday when all the dogs left, after that Tricky वो कोई प्लेट चाटता था, यानी अभी उसको खाने की ज़रूरत महसूस हुई है. So next day they arranged one more plate for Tricky, and I was pleased to see him jostling his way towards it. I was pleased to see. Now he is pushing into the crowd of the dogs for food. So now he is showing some energy. From then on his progress was rapid. Rapid means quick. तब से उसकी ये फिटनेस की जो प्रोग्रेस हुई वो क्विक हुई. He had no medical treatment of any kind, but all day he ran about with dogs, joining in their friendly scrimmages. Okay, students, scrimmages means struggle, confused struggle. He discovered the joys of being bowled over, tramped on and squashed every few minutes. Tricky among them is a new person, and when he runs with them, when he plays with them, there are chances that he is being bowled over, yani he is overwhelmed by the other dogs. He is what? Tramped means marched upon. Other dogs are just walking over him and some are crushing him under his legs, but Tricky is enjoying all these things. Now he has got that energy level. Okay, he became an accepted member of the gang, an unlikely silky little object among the shaggy crew. Okay, so shaggy means rough. This is what? The pack of rough dogs, because they are allowed to play, they are allowed to run. Students, understood? That's why these people, they are fed in limited quantity, but when they are allowed to play, when they are allowed to run, when they are allowed to fight for one particular thing, indirectly they get a lot of exercises. So whatever they have taken, food I am talking about, breakfast, lunch or supper, whatever it is, that gets digested. तो फैट जो एक्स्ट्रा बॉडी पे बढ़ती है वो बढ़ती नहीं है. अंडरस्टूड? सो दे कैन मेंटेन देयर स्टेमिना, दे कैन मेंटेन देयर फिटनेस. सो नाउ this Tricky only just becomes an accepted member of this entire dog gang. Okay, fighting like a tiger for his share at meal times and hunting rats in the old hen house at night. Now his progress was rapid. We were told in the first line of this paragraph, his progress was rapid, and that's why now he is getting more and more energetic, because he is given food in limited amount. Plus he has to run every day, play with the other dogs, and that way that little food that he has taken, that gets digested, and that's why that fat level also goes down. Okay. Fighting like a tiger for his share at meal times and hunting rats in the old hen house at night. As earlier when he came, he saw other dogs were fighting for food. Now he himself fights for food like a tiger. And at night what? At night he goes for this rat hunting in the hen house. He had never had such a time in his life. When you compare his life at Mrs. Pumphrey's house and when you compare his life at surgery of Dr. Harriet, you see both are totally different lives. One place where he is not allowed to walk also. So much care is taken. Even though he doesn't want to eat, food is offered to him. Okay? Separate bowls for separate times food. Okay? And here at surgery, he is given very little food. He is allowed to play, run, fight with the other dogs. Like that time he had never experienced at Mrs. Pumphrey's house. So he is enjoying. And students, it is normally said that when you live in a group, okay, that's why it is said that man is a social animal. Okay, people love to grow in the society, in the company of the other people. Very few are there who want to live alone. Hardly 1 or 2%. Otherwise 98-99% people love to grow in society, love to remain in the company of the other people. So same is there for the other animals also. When he found himself in the company of the other dogs, see how happy he is. Understood? And his this one illness is just getting cured. All the while Mrs. Pumphrey hovered anxiously. Hovered means waited in the background, ringing a dozen times a day for the latest bulletins. So while Tricky was being taken, that time only I had told you, ki more than Tricky, Mrs. Pumphrey said. And that's why Mrs. Pumphrey's love for the Tricky or whatever you call, but she cannot bear this separation. And that's why in a day, in a particular day, she calls at least a dozen times to Dr. Harriet. कि उसकी हालत क्या है, खाया ना खाया, ये पिया, उसको हॉर्लिक्स दिया, ये दिया, ऐसे कई फोन्स करती है to know the latest bulletins, latest news. I dodged the questions about whether his cushions were being turned regularly or his correct coat worn according to the weather. I dodged means I avoided such questions, Dr. Harriet said. क्योंकि मिसिस पंपरी ओवर कैरिंग है, उसने मैंने पहले ही बोला हर एक खाने के लिए अलग बाउल, हर एक सीजन के लिए अलग कोट, ये डॉग का, ट्रिकी का, तो वो ऐसे फ़ोन करके पूछती है कि उसको ये सीज़न है तो ये कोट पहनाया, बराबर, ये है तो इसके लिए ये क्या है स्टूडेंट्स, उसका कुशन का कवर चेंज किया, ऐसे ऐसे क्वेश्चन करती है. तो डॉक्टर हैरियट जस्ट avoided such questions. Okay, but I was able to tell her that the little fellow was out of danger and convalescing rapidly, yani recovering rapidly. Okay, so here this was a good news for Mrs. Pumphrey. Earlier when Tricky was taken to the surgery, that time he was in a critical situation. Now Dr. Harriet makes it clear that he is out of danger and he is recovering very fast. Convalescing means recovering. Okay. So students, the remaining lesson will see still over care of Mrs. Pumphrey, what she sends for Tricky and how it is used by Dr. Harriet. And in the end of the lesson you will see Mrs. Pumphrey is called by Dr. Harriet. She goes over there and she finds Tricky very fit and slim, and she cannot believe that my dog, which I sent to be hospitalized, in which condition he was and now how slim and fit he is. So all that we will see in my next video. I just request you to once again go through this entire portion that we have completed in this video so you can understand it in a better way. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.